Hey there. If you're running Rocky Linux 10 and want to switch from the command line to a full desktop environment, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through installing a GUI Desktop quickly and easily. Log into Linux machine as an admin user and check Linux kernel and OS versions. List available package groups and install server with GUI group to install graphical desktop. After successful installation, set the default system target for your Linux machine. If you have followed the exact steps, your machine should now have booted into the graphical desktop. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more Linux tips.